So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit contrast of an image in Design Wizard. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up Design Wizard and add an image into your design. So to do that, go to the left-hand side, press on the Elements tab, then where it says Videos, Photos, etc., press on More, or what you can also do is just select a recent photo that you've used right here. But I'll just go ahead and press on More for this demonstration. And if I wanted to go to the search bar, how would I search up New York? New York City. Perhaps there could be a photo of New York City that we could use for this demonstration. So let's go ahead here and select this option right here of what appears to be the New York City sort of skyline, sort of this area right here. So it's now going to take a couple seconds, hopefully, and there you go. Now, in order to edit the image contrast, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the image, go to the top left, press on the Effects tab right here, then scroll down to where it says Contrast right here. And if you drag this bar to the right, you increase the contrast. And if you drag the bar to the left, you decrease the contrast. So pretty straightforward. But that's how you guys can edit contrast of an image here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.